Welcome to Rokid. This video will show you how to use your Rokid Max 2 for the first time. Unboxing. Inside the box, you will find user manual, connection cable, glasses accessories, and a glasses case. Devices overview. Open the case and take out the Max 2. On the glasses arm, you'll find the volume and brightness buttons. Choose the nose pad that feels most comfortable for you and insert it into the glasses. You can use the dial above the glasses to adjust the diopter within a range of 0 to 600 degrees. Connect devices. At the end of the arm, there is a USB-C port used to connect to various devices. Plug in the connection cable. Your Rokid Max 2 is now ready to go. When connected to an iPhone, the screen will mirror in a 1:1 ratio. When you play landscape mode videos or games, the Max 2 will give you a stunning giant screen visual experience. You can also connect the Max 2 to your laptop. Its virtual display screen can easily extend your laptop's display area. Using a mouse and keyboard together with the Max 2 can provide an even better using experience. Now, start enjoying your Max 2. Storage. When you're done using it, please place the Max 2 back into the glasses case. You can also store the connection cable along with it.